So, hello, welcome to our live stream on Thursday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time or 3 p.m. Central European Time, like every week. I hope you can hear and see me, but everything should work smoothly. So, for everyone who doesn't know me yet or who's new to this stream, my name is Robert Rother. I started trading at the age of 13. And at 17, I co-founded my first investment firm with two partners in Germany, Frankfurt. And well, they taught me actually the investment business. And well, I sold my shares in that company and I moved to China in 2004, where I established my second investment company with a Chinese partner. And in our peak time, we managed over 100 million US dollars, and I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my firm. Unfortunately, if you are quite successful in a country like China, look at Jack Ma and so on, I got detained in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese financial system, and I was released after 7 years and 7 months in December 2008. Right now, I am offering two trading communities, one in German and one in English, and we are focusing on proprietary trading with certain prop firms. So let me see. Michael, hello, good morning. So, and for everyone who is not registered in the Bookmap Discord channel, I suggest that you basically scan this code, you enter, register with Bookmap, and you have to verify your Bookmap license key. Here under verification, I can also post the link here, invite people to the Discord channel. Don't worry if you do not have a Bookmap license key yet. I can also give you my link and you can register basically for free with Bookmap. So here, that is a link to Discord, and well, Bookmap has a digital version that is for free, and you can get a brief view on the way how Bookmap is working. And then if you decide that's the way how you want to trade, you simply sign up for a pro version. Good morning, T. Nice to see you also in Discord. And on YouTube, you cannot send so frequently messages like on Discord. In Discord, there's no limit, and you will get many more benefits of educational materials and beta versions of the Bookmap software and the Bookmap team. So yeah, let's continue here. On this 2 days ago, I received another payout certificate, this time in record time within 3 hours. Apex approved it, and the wall of certificates is growing, and this is only a small part of the certificates that I already received. The last ones are on 17th, and today or tomorrow is the last day for the application of certificates. Again, I will get some more. And this is not only what I do, also in our community, many members, they are quite successful in receiving certificates of funding and of payouts, and of course, they're going to make money in the way how I trade. You can find more information on lit.robertrother.com. You can book a call with me, or you can sign up directly, but I will tell you more about this later. Now we have the risk disclosure. All Bookmap limited materials, information, presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Risk disclosure: trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So that is the official part, and now let's have a look into the community and going to have a look at the current market situation. I probably believe that you know already. There was Fed rate decision last evening or last night, since I am based in Germany, so different time zone. The interest rates were cut by half a point, more than expected basically, and this led to another run in the markets. And let's see, today we also had some economic news. That is always the most important thing, to keep an eye on the market situation, and at least most importantly to know when news are being released. Thursday, anything important? Well, we have existing home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And we had jobless claims at 8:30 Eastern Time. These are interesting points basically for me to set up an anchored VWAP. And of course at 10 a.m. Eastern Time we have to be careful with our positions, basically get out. Then the next thing, we are simply checking the markets. The settlement price for the ES, always an interesting point to trade. And also remember, it is triple witch week. Tomorrow all index futures, options and stock options are expiring. So it will be a very volatile day probably, and tomorrow also. And now we are trading the December contract. So whatever sort of analysis we are doing right now, in my point of view, we should not take it too seriously, because they can do whatever they like. If they have to liquidate huge positions in one contract and roll over them to another, there are movements that we cannot control. So trading, from my point of view, is very careful. Yeah, and if you're really not experienced, mostly my recommendation is not to trade during this week. Or you trade simply evaluation accounts with prop firms. So anyway, settlement price. And we can also see here the rollover or the total volume, 600,000 only in the September contract, and T already 1.7 million. And somehow these 600,000 they also have to getting moved away, moved out from this month to this month. And well, settlement, I'm in the wrong section here. Settlement price is at 620.75. I'm going to enter this in my charts. As you can see, we're already on a big up move. 620.75, that's far away. Oh no, that's even the September contract. It is. I was wondering, it's at 5,680, December contract. But still far away. Big gap up. If we look at this, plus 1.5%, that is of course a huge move to the upside. Now we have to clear here the picture of my chart to get a better understanding of the situation. We can see here pre-session the markets just only knew one direction. This is to the upside. Really crazy. Now what I'm going to do here is to add a VWAP at the official market opening, which is 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Time or midnight Central European Time. Yeah. No, not this one. So, and then we always can see if we have a move like this, we have the first and second standard deviation in which the market basically is trading. Other thing that we can do is to simply add a VWAP here at this low point. We're also going to do this in Bookmap. 1 second, but here I get the bigger picture. These are already nice support zones, 1, 2, and also one on the upper side here. Well, that would be a nice short entry around here, but we continue our analysis. Now we have to update our VWAPs. Still from yesterday. Today is 19. And also here same view like on the chart, trading view chart, we can see the market is moving basically between these two bands, simply to the upside. For me personally, I do not like these sort of markets. It looks very good, but it's sometimes difficult to trade for me as a scalper. But this is typical for these market situations just before expiration. And what we can do is we can add some anchored VWAPs here. At the low point, this one for example. We can follow up and get a similar picture. So then one VWAP at the high here. And now we can see that the market already just broke through this VWAP from the high, and it basically means the market is still long. Yeah. But it's strange, these sort of moves, yeah, we can see like line of pearls. Algorithms are buying like crazy here right now. And huge iceberg orders here. That's a buy limit iceberg order. It's 1,500. We can see this because the blue line is below the ask price. That means someone wants to buy, is pushing up the market. Yeah. And this is then reacting in a move like this. Out of nothing, yeah, really out of nothing. Market simply moving up 10, 12 points. And we really don't know to where. Is there any huge liquidity here in the market? We saw some at the lower point. Still at 5,350, 1,000 lots and 5,200, 500. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, yeah. And if you are again on YouTube, you can hit the like button. And if you are not registered yet on the Bookmap channel, yeah, on the Discord channel, I mean, use the link for Discord, and there you can verify your license key from Bookmap here under verification, and then you can enter the chat room and you can freely ask questions and give comments to the current situation. So now here at this moment there's actually not much to trade for me. I simply have to wait because these are these unpredictable moves out of nothing. Yeah, it's more or less like gamble, and this is almost all week like this. Yeah, the triple witch week, and tomorrow will be even more extreme because then, yeah, September contract will expire. Interesting. The market really like a line moving higher and higher. Also here on the chart side there is not much. Maybe we take out the high here at 78. And for me, basically a valid trade situation would basically here around 57, yeah, or second standard deviation, looking for a short. But we will see after market opening when the session VWAP starts. During this week we could see nice movements always around the second standard deviation that we can use for trading opportunities. So and we can also have a look at another market, CL, crude oil. Also we had a contract roll over. Here we can, the anchored VWAPs also working quite well in this market. We're now exactly at this anchored VWAP here and have some liquidity below. And my personal goal is simply I only want to do 1 or 2 more trades on this funded account, because then I only have to pass another trading day and then this is ready for payout again. The next certificate, or tomorrow is the last day for application for Apex. And that is my personal goal. So where are the questions? Also, personal thing from my side, on the 16th of November this year, we have our 4th community event in Germany, on the island of Norderney in northern Germany. We are all invited if you like to join our event. It's now in the 4th year that we hosting this event. It will be a Saturday evening. We are sitting together, just eating, drinking, with very good food, very good drinks in a private location. And friend of mine, he owns that restaurant, he's preparing very nice dinner for us, and well, then we're sitting together getting to know each other. It's something different than only knowing someone from the internet. And many people coming for since many years to this sort of event, and we are going to stay there a couple of days. I will arrive on Thursday the 14th and will stay till Monday. So if you're interested in this, I would say you simply join our free community, English community. We are updating here all the basic stuff, updates about our community, updates about this event. We are also going to making a post about this for registration. Also add the link here. This community is for free and you always stay up to date, get all the informations. Oh yeah, thank you T, thank you T, very good, because this problem I also had it a couple days ago. Then I wanted to enter a trade and I did not set the stop loss. Same problem, you know, you forget it. And then I was trapped in my trade for a couple of hours, but I only had a small loss, so it was okay, but you did not realize it. And then if the market is running very fast against you, you somehow cannot move. Yeah, and really this happens to me. I think 2 days ago. Yeah, or yes, yeah, 2 days ago. No, it was yesterday. Yesterday. But yeah, good reminder. So 10 more minutes till the opening. Well, right now, honestly, I tell you, I do not know where to or what to trade here right now. I'm waiting for the opening. Maybe we see a run a little bit higher. could set up an anchored VWAP here, but right now I do not think it has a big impact just before market opening. Maybe let me ask here on YouTube, who is new? Who's the first time here? I mean, the regular people I already know. Crude oil is absorbing the liquidity here, and probably this one is also going to be taken. Raphael, then you are in the wrong chat room. You must go, you know, from the German. I have two chat rooms, one for German language and one for English. The English one you can find here under. Well, this is here. You are already here for the video, and the chat room is a little bit above. It is here. No, it's a send invite link. This is the room where you can chat in Discord. Amplified, first time for me. Welcome. Where are you from? Markus Neubauer, hello. Also nice to see you here. Michael Otjepka, also nice to see you. Always good to meet new people. And my recommendation is, first thing, register in our free trading community. There you can get always updates about events and new developments in trading and in our community. Oh, still 5 minutes to go. Let's see how the market is doing. It's a VWAP here, but I would not trade it. I'm just simply playing it in my mind. Well, but we can see a small micro movement. But I wouldn't have gotten an execution either way. Probably here would be my buy limit. There was no trade. Yeah, Raphael, now you can chat. Florian, it's really annoying that video and chat are separate in Discord. You have to keep switching back and forth to see the chat. Even this, yeah, it is. Can you not separate the how to say, separate this, I don't know how I call it, the window here from Discord? Probably that should be possible, or you watch the stream on YouTube and have the chat in Discord. That's also possible. So a couple more minutes to go to market opening. Like I said, I'm really just watching what is going to happen to get a feeling for the market. Otherwise, it's complicated to trade a market that is just moving to the upside like this, and it's a gap up of 1.7%. At least for my trading style. Probably there are other traders or other systems that actually like these markets, but these are not the how to say, the common markets. And again, tomorrow, triple witch day. All contracts are expiring, so there are movements that are unpredictable. You only have 3 screens, Florian, yeah. Basically, 3 screens should be enough. Again, so new all-time highs here, almost. So, a couple seconds to go, 45 seconds. Okay, and the new VWAP is starting. Let's see how the market, for me it's important now to see how the market is reacting on the standard deviations. There's nothing to trade right now. And I want to see if there are important iceberg orders, but nothing important. And if I see moves like this, that the market is actually more or less ignoring the VWAPs, yeah, or at least there's a big slippage below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is still okay. But this is something I do not really like. HMN, hello, nice to see you and welcome to our order flow show. So, big support zones would be here 58, 52 in this area. Here and there. Going to hide this VWAP, don't need this one, and also don't need this one. What I would trade is basically a long setup here, or maybe a short at the session VWAP. We could try this, but I'm only using one lot. Anyway, I have to make somehow one trade on this account. Brackets are set. 9 ticks take profit and 9 ticks stop loss. That's what's working quite well right now. VIX minus 10%. The market doesn't look like this. See some iceberg orders coming in, but what are my settings here? Okay, I have an automation threshold. Oh, it's okay. We just did not see so many iceberg orders recently. Now something is coming, at least bigger ones. 260 sell limit iceberg orders, so they want to probably push the market down. Got executed over 600. Now again the market is ranging between first and second standard deviation, but this is too small to trade for me. Normally I like to trade the second standard deviation, but from here to the first one is tight. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 ticks, 11 ticks is too tight right now. We need more, a bigger gap, I would say. So we are waiting for the day VWAP, or that we simply move down to here. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button here, yeah. Okay, now we are coming closer to the fifth. This is 60 already, the VWAP. Actually, these are trades that I take and I like, but why I did not take this trade, because the distance from here to there is not big enough and we are in a downtrend. So then maybe we already start to place an order here. Maybe we get a quick sell-off. We never know. It can get very fast. This is basically the VWAP from the low of the day. So now the gap is getting bigger, and this is basically a nice range to trade from the second standard deviation to here, or at least to get my 9 ticks. But this VWAP I consider as more important, so I'm simply waiting the market is going to hit. But if the market is going down, most likely the second standard deviation will be on the same level like this one. ZRM, that is as possible with Bitcoin. I think so. You have to try it to see if these deviations work. But with Bitcoin, we have to consider we have different trading hours. I mean 24/7. So probably you must find the fixed trading points for Bitcoin and the VWAP. Basically, you can see on a longer time frame that Bitcoin reacts also quite well to the VWAPs. The only thing is Bitcoin is definitely more volatile, and many times you do not have exactly this touching points. The market is definitely choppier, and well, you have to put this into consideration, especially into your risk management. But what I do not like is, well, with cryptocurrencies, I do not have prop firm trading. Yeah, I have this with the futures markets. That is, so I can trade without risking my own capital, and I'm quite freely in this way of trading, and can make a good money. with Bitcoin I must use my own capital, and if I have different ways and probably easier setups, then there's no reason for me to do that. Morph81, your VWAP at 760.61 is far from midnight. Yeah, is correct. This is also from the bottom. The one from midnight is here, the day VWAP. This one is basically the low when this rally started. Yeah, we could say this is the starting point. Now we can see second standard deviation and VWAP from starting initiation. Yeah, it's almost the same level. That is a nice trading opportunity. So maybe now we get a chance here. Yeah, we got the fill. Not the wait a little bit if we can get the next move. So here a nice touch on this chart. Now the market still doesn't want. And we try it again here at the day VWAP. Again, sell limit iceberg orders here. So we got the next trade here at the day VWAP. No, it doesn't. Oh, then probably the market wants to go to gap down, a gap close. There is no strength in it, or not even any. Do not even pay attention to these VWAPs, which are basically strong signals. But this is very typical for these days, yeah, especially for triple witch week. Yeah, okay, now you make the pullback. Just stop me out, yeah, and then going to the next other direction, yeah. But I'm going to switch the account now. This loss of 260 is absolutely acceptable because it was the 10th trading day and is ready for another payout. I can withdraw another 2000. Cancel all the orders here. Now we're going to switch to another account. Disconnect. Connect. Going to this one. We have to wait a second. We are removing this one. This one is also ready for payout, but I have to do a couple more trading days. I cannot finish this until tomorrow, but anyway, one day is one day. MOV 81, would you do a short trade at 5765? Yes, definitely. This is here the session VWAP. If we really get an entry point here, yeah. So this is probably the market is simply too fast. I think the market will have another low here. We can see sell limit, buy limit, iceberg order, and again next sell off. I think the market really wants to have a gap close. Yeah, there is no power in it, but the question is where to enter. Yeah, we do not get a big chance to actually enter this market. Okay, now some data latency. Okay. What we could try is a short trade to jump on this situation at the day VWAP for retest. To go short here doesn't make much sense for me because I do not like to short the lows. We have to wait for a pullback to get into the market. Does Apex evaluation accounts have payouts? No, they do not have payouts. This is simply to prove that you can fulfill their risk management. And afterwards, once you get pass the test, then you get an PA account. And then you also have to reach a profit goal of this account of $52,600. Then your drawdown limit will be fixed at 50,100 for 50K account, and then you can apply for payouts every 2 weeks. I mean, once you pass the test, it will automatically become a PA account, and you will get a certificate, and then you can trade with it. And I recommend do not choose the big accounts. Simply go with the 50K account. That is from the risk to reward ratio fair, I would say. Now we have data latency. We didn't get a fill here. Now we can even try a long trade at the second standard deviation, or because simply the mouse is closing, so to say. Yeah, they are getting narrower and narrower. That means the volatility is getting out of the market, and after this trend move, most likely we have sideways market. It's just speculation. Yeah? Also according to the time. Okay, we got a fill here. No, simply does not respect any of my trading VWAPs. The market has its own mind today. Maybe now we reached the bottom, the people sold everything what they wanted to sell, and now the market is going back to sender, yeah. $62, $65, this is the session VWAP. I would try a short trade at this session VWAP. Floriana, but honestly, the evaluation phase with the one-day pass makes no sense to test your skills. No, it doesn't make any sense to test your skills. It's simply about making money for them, yeah? It's gambling. Because most of the people, they simply screw up their accounts very fast, and then they make easily 30 bucks, yeah, or 50 bucks. It's only about that. This is how the companies make loads of money. Well, that if you reach 52,600, or basically with the PA account, then you can apply for a payout. And your drawdown limit will be fixed at 50,100. And now we got the next fill here, but market also shows no big reaction to it. Also here, no chance today. There is simply not a day to trade for me. Very seldom that 4 trades in a row. The market does not respect the VWAP. This is only typical for today and tomorrow, or for this week. But it doesn't matter. I simply pass another day, and 200 bucks minus is nothing on that account. Doesn't affect the next payout. That is the way how to think if you trade prop firms. Think from payout to payout, and what rules they have and how to follow these rules, so that you actually, that companies can understand your trading way and how they can protect or even join your trading decisions. So even if 2 days ago I received 2 payout approvals within 3 hours, yeah, because I believe they really know what I'm doing, so they can calculate and manage their risk with my trading or through my trading. That is the most important thing that they want. They want to understand how you trade and what risks you are taking. I mean, I had my own investment firm in China, and I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company. We were managing over 100 million US dollar. It was not always about making profit every day. It was simply about managing the risk of the trader. Every trader has a sort of fuck up day, yeah? And you have to know how big this fuck up day is going to be and how you can manage this risk. These are surprises that you do not want to have as a fund manager, hedge fund manager. This is the worst thing that can happen. It's not about making most of the money in one day or in 1 week. It's about not losing, yeah. Hello, Santa. Yeah, the profit is everything above 50K. Yes. So since there's also not much to trade for me anymore, I still can give you a preview to our day trading community. Yeah, every day we have live tradings like we do right now, giving our market comments, our strategy, recordings of 60, 70, 88 videos of material. Calendar, you find all the live trainings. We're going to continue now with our community members. Maybe the situation is going to change a little bit and we get back the losses. If you want to be part of this, well, you can simply go to this page and sign up. Otherwise, I would say we see each other again next week. And next week, I believe trading will be smooth again, yeah, because triple witch week is over, yeah, very simple. Going back to normal. Then I can also trade larger position size again. Simply this week I wouldn't trade normally, and I simply trade now to with one lot to pass some trading days so that I can get my payouts. Tomorrow is the last day for application for payouts, so I fulfilled my goal today with one of my accounts to reach the 10th trading day, or actually it's already the 45th trading day to reach the fourth payout for this account. So goal is reached for this week. This week I got 4 payouts. That's nice. And well, then we see each other next week or just right now in our community. Bye.